Hi friends, welcome to Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Today we'll take a look at the best laptops for photo editing in the market this year. The second most crucial item besides your camera is a laptop to see the results and fine-tune adjustments. These days the laptop you choose is equally as important as your camera, as you'll spend a vast amount of time processing and editing images. Today's laptops come with the highest specifications with ever-increasing speeds and capabilities. Today's photographer has plenty of powerful options well suited for editing. Many laptops offer high-resolution 4K displays with stunning color. While these devices weighing less than 4 pounds. But purchasing such devices for your needs will prove to be no less than a challenging task. That's why today, we've picked and reviewed the 3 best models for you. We've spent many hours researching these products. We've ranked them based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description down below. You can also see their prices and other information by using the links in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinalaptops.com. Let's get started. Microsoft Surface Pro 3. The Microsoft Surface Pro 3 is an excellent laptop for photo editing. Design. It has a beautiful looking design, excellent build quality, and fantastic display to help you during your photo editing sessions. This laptop indeed is pretty durable, and it's proven to be a very well-built device. The double hinge on this one is equipped with a strong magnet that latches onto the laptop's lower bezel. Display. It has a 12-inch touchscreen display that can deliver excellent-looking sharp and bright colors. It has plenty of great features that might be very handy to use. It has a very nice looking bright silver colored magnesium shell which is very smooth to the touch. Performance. This one is packed with Intel's 4th generation Core i5 processor, suitable for photo editing and multitasking. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage capacity. It has a fantastic performance that might help you a lot during your photo editing sessions. Keyboard. Surface Pro 3 is an excellent thing because it makes you type more comfortably for long periods. Conclusion. It indeed is one of the best photo editing laptops in the market that comes at a very reasonable price. 2. Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch. MacBook Pro is a great device and felt lightning fast in designing software. Design. It comes with 2880 by 1800 resolution, which offers a crisp result. It also supports Apple's True Tone technology that automatically makes the screen's color compensate for ambient lighting. Display. The screen brightness uniformity also scores well, leaving just the 84% Adobe RGB coverage. Performance. This particular device is packed with 8-core Intel Core i9 and 32GB of RAM. The 32GB of RAM allows you to have lightning-fast Photoshop performance. Keyboard. Along the top of the keyboard, you'll find Apple's Touch Bar. The Touch Bar automatically displays adjustment buttons and sliders. Connectivity. You only get Thunderbolt 3 ports, meaning if you want to connect conventional USB devices, you'll need adapters. Conclusion. If budget isn't a problem, this is one of the best laptops for photo editing you can buy. 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. This device is a definite powerhouse, coming in with excellent workstation performance. Design. MacBook Pro is not only the most powerful MacBook, but it is also one of the best laptops ever. It improves on nearly every aspect of the iconic workstation. This is the best photo editing laptop you can buy this year. It looks premium, and the extra thin bezels around the screen deliver amazing minimalistic vibes. Display. Moreover, the display of this laptop is just astonishing. It's packed with a 16-inch Retina display with 3072 by 1920 resolution. The detail reproduction is fantastic, the sharpness is excellent, and the colors are perfect. You should know that it's an absolute beast capable of completing any task when it comes to performance. Performance. It's equipped with the latest generation Intel Core i9 CPU and 16GB of RAM, and 1TB of SSD. Also, it has an AMD Radeon Pro 5500mm graphics, which means you can play some games from time to time. Connectivity. This one is packed with 4 Thunderbolts 3 ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack for connectivity. Battery. It has a battery life of 12 hours, which is impressive. Conclusion. This is not a gaming laptop, but you won't find a better photo and video editing option. Final verdict. Recommended best laptops for photo editing is Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. Other laptops on this list are also great. You can select and buy one from the Amazon link given in the description. That's our best laptops for photo editing buying guide. Hopefully, you found it helpful. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to get the latest update from our channel. Don't forget to leave a comment about your top pick. Bye bye, see you in the next video.